Hey, it's Megan with WTI, and I have been finding it so hard to get out of bed lately, but it's actually for a good reason. And that reason is that my Great Bay Home flannel sheets are just too cozy. They are of great, thick, high quality, and they are so snuggly soft. The fitted sheet fits perfectly on my mattress. There is no tugging or struggling to get them to fit down over the corners. The flat sheet too is a great size, and it has just the right amount of overhang for me to tuck it in snugly under the mattress. During the cold winter months, these flannel sheets are such a welcome addition to my bed. They make me feel so toasty and warm and relaxed as I'm going to sleep. I chose the solid light gray color, which I think is a beautiful neutral that goes with any kind of bedding. Even though it is definitely time for me to be up and around working now, I cannot tell you how tempted I am to hop back in this bed because of these amazingly comfortable flannel sheets. And that's my point of view.